for sale, 1969 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Corvette, finished in correct Lemans blue with bright blue interior. Number matching 427, 400 horsepower, M21 4-speed. And factory side pipes, red lines, rallies. Of course, walk around and tell you everything that I know about it, point out what I see, we'll fire it up and then drive it. So here we will start here in the front after I get this bug off. Chrome in the front looks to be in, very nice condition. I see a couple marks on it, but really not too bad, and is very nice still. Fitment of the headlight doors looks to be very nice. I see a couple little miscellaneous marks right there. Hood fitment looks to be as it should. It's a frame off restoration, or pretty much nut and bolt, because I don't see anything that looks to be original to the car. Finished in its correct color, Lemans blue. It's beautiful repaint. Number matching 427, 400 horsepower, the tri-power. And I actually have a little write-up here of information. I got like date codes for the heads, of course the block, intake, all the carbs, starter, distributor, alternator, water pump, trans, so that'll all be listed on the advertisement. It's a T-top, so of course it's a coupe. There's really not too many paint flaws on the car. Beautiful tires, and the rims with, of course, your desirable side pipes on there. I just want to finish this little section here, and then I will open the hood up for you. I see a little maybe a stone chip right there. The papers, one paper is not stable in the breeze that I got going on here. There's a 3.7 posi rear, which is the born with number matching rear. Let me pop the hood quickly. Very factory correct engine compartment here. It has a rebuilt, I'm sorry to take my time doing this. It's a Bill Hodel smog system. So kind of a correct looking thing, of course. You got correct hoses on there, correct clamps, your shielding, tri-power carbs. But the engine compartment's gorgeous. I mean, the black is beautiful all the way around. Very nice underhood as well. We'll move to this side of the car. It's the LQ suffix, which is the tri-power manual, which you can see down there. It was previous owner of about 11 years, 12 years, and it was owned in California before that. Keep going down the car. Pretty much the interior on the car is in amazing condition. It looks all brand new. Pop the door open here. I mean, really, when you get up on it, not even like those little chipping signs. Very nicely painted door jamb there. The seats are firm and comfortable because of that. Like stuffed and not satin too much. 427, 400 horsepower, 4-speed, the M21. No cracks in the dash. Oh, there's one fine one right there, a little hairline. Other than that, Really, really nice. So let me see if I got anything else on here. Well, mostly everything else are numbers that I will have written down in the ad to make it easy. Backseat compartment here, really nice. Always nice to see that tidy. I see a little touch-up right there. Fitment of the T-tops look to be very nice. Windshield is in excellent condition here. Pretty much all the glass is very nice. There's no cracks on it. It's got the removable back window. Looks like a little touch-up right there. Another little guy, probably from some stone chips there. But I know the really susceptible area is here, and I only see two little minute touch-ups. So we'll keep going down the side of the car here. A little tiny mark right there. I would say the back chrome is just about the same as the front chrome. It looks very nice, but a little bit of marking on it in some spots. And probably the worst mark on the car is right here, a little crack in the paint. But the rest of it, I don't see anything like that. The underside of the car is beautiful. It really shows the low usage of the car since its restoration. Two little chips right there. I see just a little bit of pitting on this guy here. Same with the other side, probably from always touching this. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. 69 Corvette, finished in factory correct Lemans blue with a bright blue interior. Number matching 427 400 horsepower. M21 4-speed. 3.7 Hazy rear. So we are getting to that point where we're going to fire it up and then drive it. I see, looks like 2, 3 little stone chips right there. So, thanks for watching. Really not too much to say, a lot of information and whatnot that will all be listed in the ad. Thank you.